Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling the Type 95 Hago Japanese World War II tank, available at miniaturetanks.com. So take your clippers of choice, hobby clippers, sprue cutters, and just start clipping away at the things. So that's good for that piece. And then let's just clean up that sprue mark, make sure it looks okay. Stuff. There you go. And yeah, there's those two pieces, these pieces, that piece, and this piece. This actually has a little bit of support plastic underneath. You may just leave that if the scale is small enough. This is a HO scale that I'm working in. So I do sell two scales smaller than that. 15 millimeter, also known as 1/100 scale, and 12 millimeter, also known as 144 scale. And I also sell in the bigger scales. So anything that you learn here, if you purchase in a bigger scale, would simply probably be more easy to assemble than the small scale here. Okay, clean up that sprue mark. You can sand things down if you wish. Alright, so that's the cutting away process. Now let's glue this thing together. So as you can see here, this should be glued like that. There you go. And just put some glue like that. Put that piece together. Okay, well, there's that piece. Now you can decide what to do next. You can go ahead and put this piece on if you wish. So to do that, let's get some glue along these edges here. And then some glue in the front there. I'm using Loctite glue for this. Okay, just place that piece down like so. Then here's these side track type pieces, so you can see how that will go. So essentially, I'm gonna put some glue on the side track type pieces. I decided to do it on these pieces instead of the main part of the tank because then I know it will be contact with. Alright, so there you go. Yeah, so simple enough, as you can see. Now let's just simply do the other side. Putting the glue down. Okay, and then go ahead, put it like that. So it's starting to come together. Now let's put this cylinder piece and try to put, try to get that cylinder piece in the middle. Okay. Now this type of exhaust type piece should be put in the back right. You just put, quite a bit of glue, I guess. There you go. And then put this piece in the back right, like that. Like I showed you there. Very good. Here's the turret. Okay, what's next? It is simply gluing on the tracks. And so, let's get these tracks glued on. Next, let's glue on the other side. There you go. Check all sides, put the turret in, see that it can traverse. So here you have it, the Hago Japanese World War II tank, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.